Hi guys, so we've got day 5 and 6 of the advent calendar today, and then we're going to do a cute little penguin nail featuring these little sequins in the end. So day 7, is this? Did I open them the wrong way around? Who knows? Oh, so no, we've got 5, 6 and 7, sorry. So we've got those cute rose gold caviar beads. I've never used caviar beads in nail art before, but... Oh, and this lovely glitter that we're also going to use in my cute little penguin nails today. So we're starting off with Blue Lust. I don't know how you say that. We're going to do 2 coats of that. Although when I do put more on it, it actually does go quite opaque in just 1 coat. Such a pretty blue colour. We're doing that on both nails to start off with, and then I'm using this Diamond Glitters golden blue glitter mix. So I've done a 2nd coat, and without curing it, I'm then going to pour this glitter over. It was such a pretty effect in the end. I don't think the camera does it justice really. So then we're going to matte top coat that with my Beetles gel polish matte top coat there, because then I want to do icicles but with the acrylic powder on top of it, so it's 3D. So we'll pop that in the lamp. I do like a matte glitter effect. So I'm using the Beetles gel polish, I think it's 894, just the normal white. I actually end up changing this bit in the end of the video, but for now, because I think it wasn't quite as opaque as I'd wanted it. So yeah, see, I wish I'd done 2 coats of that really, but how I did it in the end was perfect, because I managed to incorporate those cute little penguin glitters sequins. So just using a generic acrylic. So without curing that, you just want to pour it all over until there's no more shiny bits. So then it's soaked up all the acrylic then. Yeah, see, it didn't look as opaque as I wanted it to, but never mind. So now I'm going on to do the icicles. I mean, you could do it all at the same time if you wanted, but I wanted to get the snow done first. So I'm just doing a line across the top, and then work out how many icicles you want and bring them down where you want them to go, and then we can do the faffing after that. So I think I do 2 big ones in the middle and then 1 at either side, but depending on how big your icicles are and how skinny they are, you could do loads. So once you've done the ones you want, you do your little sort of archway to sort of connect them, because without it, it sort of looks a little bit so yeah, so you got your little archways. I think I do actually cure that. Yeah, I cure that and go over it with a 2nd coat because of my disaster with the snow at the bottom. So yeah, going all over that one before we do the acrylic. I'm so annoyed because I had already done this voiceover at lunchtime today. However, in the middle, actually no, right at the end, my husband decided to ring me and it lost everything. So I answered the phone to him, not very happy. But never mind. Hopefully I can remember what I said. So yeah, make sure you can't see any more shiny bits. Pour it all over. And whenever I'm doing acrylic designs like this, I always double cure it just to make sure it's soaked up all of that. That acrylic powder lasts for ages because I feel like I've done loads of these sort of like 3D acrylic designs. So then pop it in the lamp and then brush off the excess powder. That bloody little thing at the bottom is doing my head in, so I file that off. So you see that's gone. And that's the icicle one. So this one is going to be the penguin one. So we're doing snow at the bottom, like the previous nail, but we're going to put that nice glitter that I got in the advent calendar on day 7 over this one. But I am going to do 2 coats. Learn from your mistakes. Yeah, so I'm doing 2 coats of that. And you can see I've got that like cardboard, pink cardboard thing out from where the glitter was. I don't actually have like a glitter tray, so I was pouring it over that in the hopes that I could use the sort of foldy bit to put it back into the bag, because obviously a lot comes out, as you can see. So pour on as much or as little as you want. I zhuzhed it a bit, then cured it, and then I'm putting a base coat over that because we need a tacky layer again, because the penguin's going to go over it a little bit. But I put it all over the nail just because I wanted it a bit more even. I should have buffed that glitter after I did it, but I was really in a rush. Can't remember why. I think I just started these really late. So then I couldn't decide what blue to use for the little penguin, so I used the sort of lighter one. It's sort of like a pear-shaped penguin. Sort of inspired by a little penguin toy I've had for absolutely years. And my friend, Original Pumpkin on Instagram, she drew such cute penguins like this. I don't think she actually has any on her Instagram at the minute, but her artwork is amazing if you want to check her out. So I do 2 coats of that, and then I'm using that A107 Beetles gel polish to do his little arms. Penguin have arms, wings. They don't fly, but I suppose. So yeah, just coming out from the side. I mean, this is a really simple design, so it's not like a lot of detail in it, but it does look really cute in the end. I don't think I bother with 2 coats of that because it's quite sort of opaque anyway. I didn't think it needed it. So we're going to put that in the lamp. Yeah, see, I don't think it needed more. So then we're going to go in with the white. So it's sort of like a love heart shape at the top for the sort of face outline. And then you're going to go into sort of the bottom pear-shaped. So like a pear, but instead of the round top, it's like a love heart at the top. Now you're going to want to do 2 coats of that one, definitely, because it never seems opaque enough after 1 coat. If you have a magical white gel polish that seems opaque after 1 coat over a dark colour, then please let me know, because I would love to have it. See, it's really simple, but really, really cute. So yeah, I've done another coat there. So we're going in with the tiny detailer brush, with that orangey A97 Beetles gel polish. Sort of an orangey yellow colour. Ugh, doesn't it annoy you when you get like a bead at the end? Like, I just want a long line of polish, because otherwise you just can't work with it. So like a little upside down triangle, I definitely flash cure that. And little feet at the bottom. So you just got your like 3 little sticky up bits basically. I definitely flash cure that as well, because when gel polish just blobs into one, especially when you're doing such small details like that, probably want a gel paint really, but we work with what we've got. See how cute is he? So I'm using my dotting tool for his eyes, because I don't trust myself with the brush. Look how sweet he is. We should give him a name really. Percy? Percy Penguin? Or is it a girl penguin? I don't know. So I'm doing 2, because we're going to do some starburst now. So just with your dotting tool, put 2 blobs on. And then with your detailer brush, you're just pulling down from the centre, like up and down and both sides. Sort of a really effective, simple starburst. So I'm doing 2 of those. And then we're going in with the dotting tool again, just because I'm going to put some snow around. We've had snow today. I hate snow. Well, I like snow, but not when I have to drive in it. Took me like double the time to get to work this morning. Yeah. Anyway, so we're going over with a top coat, a shiny top coat for that one now, because I think he would look better shiny. Probably quite effective as a matte top coat, but never mind, we're going in with shiny. You should definitely buff that glitter. Anyway, so this is me changing my bottom bit of the icicle nail. So I'm going in with Silk from Dali Artistic. It's sort of like a shiny white, sparkly white. So actually I think it looks better than how it was before. So I'm going to put those little penguin sequins on. They're very fiddly. I should have, I don't know. I tried to use tweezers for the second one, but ended up bending his head. It was a disaster. Need some form of tool to, I mean, look. I end up having to put a new penguin on. See, his head isn't bent. So we're going to shiny top coat that one. Only the bottom of it where the little penguins are and the snow. Just because I think the rest of it looks really nice matte. And obviously I've done the 3D acrylic, so you won't go over that. But here they are. I think I'm going to show you the little penguin that he was inspired by. I think he's called Icicles. How cute is he? Anyway, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more Christmas designs and more advent calendar openings. Let me know if you want to see any more. And if it's not too much trouble, give me just a little like and maybe a little subscribe. Thanks. Bye.